Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 29 of our JavaScript function 0 to advanced playlist. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about function expression. So what is the meaning of function expression? We will see with the example as well. A function expression define a function as a part of larger expression, unlike declaration. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here, as you already know, this is what my index.html file. Here I used a script tag in order to link our app.js file. That's it. Okay, and let me change the title. And here is our app.js file. Okay, so if I'm writing here console.log to check whether it's working or not. Okay, so this is already linked with HTML page. Okay, it should be linked, and you will start what live server. Open with live server. Okay, so it will open like this, right? Okay, so our JavaScript file code is working. So now let's understand what's the meaning of function expression. Okay, so as we know how we can create the function, in order to create the function, we will write function keyword. Then what we write? We write function name. Okay, like function name is like fun1. Okay, then we write curly braces. Okay, and we write the console.log. Okay, so inside the console.log, we can write anything, whatever we want, right? Like this. Okay, after that, what it will print? It will print nothing. Why it is not printing anything? Because we are not calling the function. So this is known as calling function. Calling one function. Okay, so this is how function work. Okay, so what's the meaning of function expression? Function expression means we will create a variable and we will store that function inside a variable. For example, I'm creating a variable like dem. Okay, and I'm storing this function, this entire function inside which function, inside which variable? Demo variable. So if we are assigning this function inside a demo variable, can I remove this function name? Yes, I can remove the function name. So who will call this function? Who will call this function? F1 is there? No, F1 is not there. See, F1 is not there. No, this function has no name, right? See, error will come. If we will call this y1, so error will come. So tell me how we can call this function. See, we assigned this function. We assigned this function inside the demo variable. So through the demo variable, we can call our function. Okay, calling function through demo. Okay, so we are calling function through demo, right? So this is how we can call. So what I did, see again, let's see again. So for example, there is a function. So in order to create function, we will create function. For example, my function name is like test function, right? After this, we will write something inside the function body. So for example, I'm writing just a message. I am testing function, right? Like this. I'm just giving an example. So how we will call this function? Like this, we will call this function. So the output is coming. I am testing function. Okay. Suppose if I delete the name, so what will happen? Error will come. Why? Because we cannot write a function without name, right? So if you want to remove this error, what you can do, you can create a variable. Okay. Suppose my variable name is demo, and you can store this function in demo. So when you are creating variable, you should write let. Okay, so my function is stored inside the demo variable. Okay, so how we will call this function? Because function don't have a name, so we will call this function using the demo variable. It will work as a function. This demo will work as a function. Okay, so what it will print? It will print I am testing function, right? So it is working. So this is also known as function expression. Okay, in the next video we will discuss more about the function. So stay tuned. Thank you everyone for watching this video.